Did you know 85% of successful small businesses in 2025 use AI tools daily? And the ones who don't are slowly dying. Stay with me for 5 minutes, and I'll give you the exact tools that can help you automate, grow, and dominate. Running a small business is tough. You're juggling marketing, customer service, and operations, often with a small team, or even alone. That's why smart businesses are now using AI as their secret weapon. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. It's not just a chatbot. It's your content writer, customer service agent, and business planner all in one. You can write emails, product descriptions, social media posts, and even solve customer problems instantly. Tool number 2, Durable.co. This AI builds a full business website for you in under 30 seconds. No coding, no designers needed. Perfect for freelancers, shop owners, and service providers. Tool number 3, Runway ML. Creating video ads, reels, and product demos is now 100% AI powered. Just write a prompt, and Runway turns it into a professional video. No camera needed. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Organize your business like a pro. Notion helps you plan projects, write content, and manage your day, all with AI support. Tool number 5, Tidio or ManyChat. These AI chatbots talk to your website visitors, answer their questions, and even close sales 24/7. These tools aren't just cool, they're game changers. They save time, reduce stress, and help your business grow faster than ever. Start using one today and watch your business transform. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to CatchAI for more AI tools, tips, and tutorials. Let's grow your business together, the smart way.